Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix this experience is not accessible because it is unrated in Roblox. If you're playing Roblox or maybe using any of its feature and you get this error which says that this experience is not accessible because it is unrated. This happens because your age on Roblox account is under 13. If your account age is under 13, that means you will not be able to be considered as having some other features. So what you have to do is that you first have to make sure that your account age is above 13, and if you have to make it like this above 13 or 13 plus, then you have to verify your date of birth. Once you have the age above 13, then you will have access to multiple features and there will be less restriction on content. So for that reason, you just have to simply click onto that settings icon and go to settings. Once you get there, you will see the date of birth. Now what you have to do is that you have to simply verify it. Here I have verified and I don't have such issues. So what you can do is that you have to simply give your ID card which is issued by your government to verify like some images, and after that it will ask you to add your selfie. You just have to simply do it, then it will just take like a minute or maybe two and verify your date of birth. Once your age get verified, then you will be able to get any feature and you would not get any such issues that we are discussing in this video. So just simply verify and your account will be good to go. So that's how you can fix experience is not accessible because it is unrated in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like and a comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.